Hi, I'm Gary from Geekay Products. I'm making this video today to introduce you to our range of survival fishing kits. All our kits are handmade from the finest hardwoods. They are light, compact and easy to use. We have 3 kits in our range: the traditional hobo handline, the Yojo palm line and the ring fisher. All kits come with 25 metres of line, a sinker and hooks. They are all set up for sinker style fishing, but you can add your own kits for whatever style fishing you prefer. Now let me show you how easy they are to use. Just face the top of the reel in the direction you're going to cast and let out some line. Swing the weight in your opposite hand and release to cast. The line will feed off automatically. Reeling in, just hold the line with the opposite hand and wind it around the reel. We recommend keeping a glove handy in case you have a weighty fish to reel in. Thank you for watching our video. I hope it's given you a good idea of how simple our fishing kits are to use. Check the description for our email address to contact us.